Step one, we're gonna set the oven to 425. Nice. Is the most important. We have to grab the pre-chilled Yeti. Step three, place the unidentified beverage into the Yeti and put the lid on. And would you look at that? The oven's ready. All right, next we're gonna grab a baking sheet and we're gonna use a couple of cookie racks, and I like to have my wings nice and evenly cooked. This will allow the heat to actually disperse around the wings. Nice. Now the key to this puzzle is time. Next step, grab your IGA bag with chicken wings. Grab a pair of your finest snappy snappers, test click them, make sure they work. But tonight, we are just gonna do regular old chicken wings. Now our chicken wings are drumettes, which means we already clip the end off the drumette and the flats. So, no work to do here from our IGA chicken wings. All right, and in the oven we go. Now again, I like my wings fairly crispy, so we are going to actually leave them in there for anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. We want to get to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. That's the goal. I don't take the temperature on my chicken wings. I already know when they're done. But tonight we're going to be using a brand new product right out of Alberta, actually. It's a local product called the Kootenay Bayou. All right. Just flipping the wings. We're gonna go at the halfway point. They're starting to get a little bit colored. So we'll flip them over and they'll get nice and crispy. Place the unidentified beverage into the Yeti. All right, it is time. We got a nice color. Perfect. So what we're gonna do, pull the wings and we're gonna split them into two different bowls and sauce them up two different ways. Batch one here, we're gonna be doing the roasted red voodoo habanero sauce. This is the internationally award-winning hot sauce. And the second batch, this is gonna be the medium kiwi tsunami. And we'll toss that around. Place the unidentified beverage into the Yeti. Nice. Okay, so now it is time to enjoy the wings that we have got. And again, this sauce, the Kootenay Bayou, the only one that I didn't do tonight is the roasted red hot. This is the mild sauce that we have. We've got some samples available at customer service right now, probably for the next couple days anyways. I'm a spicy kind of guy. I like the spice, so we're gonna dive right into it. We're gonna have the Kiwi Tsunami. So the Kiwi Tsunami, I'll just give you a little brief description here. This sauce features fresh kiwi fruit, onions, peppers, garlic, and a full array of herbs and spices. Medium heat with a bit of sweetness at the end. So they're promoting this product to try eggs, pizza, any light colored meat, so fish, chicken. We're gonna give that a shot. Place the unidentified beverage into the Yeti. Okay, so first things first, we're trying the Kiwi Tsunami. Oh. That is incredible. I would say it's a medium. It's not, I wouldn't find it spicy. I know a lot of people will. The flavor. It's a light, citrusy heat, nice spice. Very impressed with that flavor. This is the one I'm most excited about now. Voodoo habanero roasted hot sauce. So this one is roasted garlic, fresh tomatoes, peppers. We've got a full array of custom herbs and spices. Enjoying a full flavored sauce with a lingering fantastic heat. This one I'm really excited about. Ooh. That flavor is absolutely incredible. I really enjoy that. Place the unidentified beverage into the Yeti. It's a bright flavor. It's got a good lingering heat. Gonna go for another one. Well, I can see why that one won 3 different awards. They won the 2015 Scovie Awards, that sauce right there. And again, so this company, Kootenay Bayou, they reached out to us 2 days ago. They drove by the store, dropped off a couple samples, which are what I have here now. Yesterday I called Len with Kootenay Bayou, a really fun story. He showed up today with the samples and with the actual hot sauce bottles. The whole company is family run, family owned and operated. They've been around for a few years. They're out of Winfield, Alberta. Grandfather is the one that drives around, introduces the product and brings the samples, brings the deliveries. Son makes the actual hot sauce. And the grandson, I understand today, who's 14 years old, is the one that did all the graphic designs. So that's pretty cool. So all the designs on each one of these bottles was done by 14-year-old. So good for these guys. Really excited to have this product in the store. You're going to find it in 2 spots right now. Hot sauce section in aisle 8. And you're going to find it in our local section as well. So anyways, guys, really recommend you try this hot sauce. If you like a mild, we've got it. If you like a medium, definitely try the kiwi. And if you like it spicy, the habanero definitely has a great kick, but most important for me, has great flavor. So thanks for joining me on my chicken wing night, and we'll see you soon.